Taishan Group is a national high-tech enterprise integrating the development, manufacturing and sales of power plant boilers, pressure vessels, transformers, GIS, etc. Products are involved in thermal energy and power supply, power transmission and transformation, chemical industry and new energy equipment fields. It covers boiler power generation, power distribution. It owns three major sectors including high-end energy equipment, nuclear power and high-end chemical equipment, spreading in over 20 subsidiaries. Among them, high-end energy equipment industry is the core sector, which can provide comprehensive solutions and services commissioning, operation, acceptance to managed operation and EPC, in the whole ecological industry chain. Since 2019, it has won the honor of National Single Champion in Manufacturing Industry twice. As a powerful, responsible and sentimental enterprise, Taishan Group has always been adhering to the brand concept that reputation is weightier than Taishan, and integrity builds the brand. Relying on 70 years of technical experience accumulation, we step across a high-quality development path in terms of green and low-carbon, economical and intensive, clean and efficient equipment. Taishan Group not only absorbs foreign technology, but also makes independent innovation. The products are complete and new, covering ultra-low emission CFB boilers, high-efficiency low-nitrogen gas boilers, biomass boilers, pulverized coal boilers, coal water slurry boilers, electrode boilers, electric heat storage boilers, and corner tube boilers. Each year we develop dozens of new products and put on the market. In recent years, we have cooperated with many and well-known universities like Chinese Academy of Sciences, Tsinghua University and Zhejiang University, developing the world's largest capacity high-efficiency pulverized coal boiler, China largest capacity ultra-low nitrogen gas boiler, and third-generation energy-saving and environment-friendly CFB boiler. The technical key indicators and product performance are at the leading level of similar products in the world. Taishan brand third-generation energy-saving and environment-friendly CFB boilers range from 10 to 670 TPH. Fully sealed high-temperature cyclone separator with high separation efficiency and reliable operation. Dry ash extraction, balanced ventilation. Boiler depth is generally divided into three parts. First part is furnace and steam drum. Furnace adopts full membrane water wall structure. Bottom is a water-cooled air chamber surrounded by bent water wall tubes. Second part is optimized high-temperature cyclone separator, refeeder, external heat exchanger, convection tube bundle. In order to meet the requirements of denitrification, we reserve SNCR spray gun interface at separator inlet. Third part is tail flue duct, including superheater, economizer, and air preheater. SCR interface is reserved at the 320 to 380 degree range in economizer. It fully meets the ultra-low emission in desulfurization and denitrification. The combustion efficiency is 99%, and thermal efficiency is over 90%, which can reduce the electricity consumption by 30%, and coal consumption by 6%. The boiler is safe and reliable, and annual operation time is over 8,000 hours. The Taishan Group's inclined reciprocating grate biomass boiler is equipped with a hydraulic feeding device in front of the furnace. The grate is generally divided into a drying section, main combustion section, and burnout section. The grate adopts a fully automatic controlled hydraulic system to achieve reciprocating motion, enabling dynamic combustion with fuel fluctuation and rolling on the grate. Each combustion section is equipped with a reasonable air distribution ratio and great movement speed to eliminate dead zones in air distribution, ensuring high combustion efficiency, and preventing local ash accumulation and coking. The boiler's water-cooled heating surface adopts a vertical full-membrane wall structure, with a tall furnace and ample space. The furnace is designed with low flow velocity, increasing gas agitation and residence time, allowing the fuel to burn fully in the furnace. This boiler type is suitable for low-quality fuels including various types of biomass fuels and lignite. Whole world is deeply promoting the energy revolution. Natural gas boilers for city heating system is gradually developing towards large-scale capacity. At present, our gas boilers are divided into 4 series: SCS, WNS, DHS, and vertical large gas boiler using Finland Noviter technology. Max capacity is 420 TPH, and max pressure is 9.8 MPa. During boiler development and design, we make numerical simulation with computational fluid dynamics, to accurately calculate and simulate the aerodynamic and temperature field in the three-dimensional space of furnace, ensure good fit between arrangement of furnace space and radiant heating surface and combustion of fuel to improve combustion efficiency. Keep water wall temperature uniform and water circulation reasonable, reduce water resistance and flue gas resistance, improve overall thermal efficiency. Taishan Group took the lead in passing ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSA's 18001 Management System Certification and ASME Certification. A variety of products have filled the domestic gap and won National Major Technical Equipment Achievement Award. Equipped with 120M serpentine tube production line, 3 sets membrane wall production line, gas-fired heat treatment furnace, CO60 NDT room and other advanced production equipment. In addition, Taishan Group actively embraces intelligent manufacturing, explore Internet plus boiler smart cloud data platform and intelligent analysis mode, introduce intelligent welding robot, CNC, laser and other advanced automation equipment, accelerating the upgrading of enterprise equipment and laying a solid foundation for long-term development. Over the years, Taishan Group has successively established long-term business relationship with a number of well-known domestic enterprises. Gradually expand cooperation fields in overseas markets, build long-term business relationship with Russian-speaking countries, Africa, Southeast Asia, and South American. Energy saving and carbon reduction is a common issue concerning the destiny of mankind. Taishan Group will always adhere to the concept of scientific development, safe production, surpassing the present and leading the future, implement the strategy of strengthening main business, and developing new business. Devote to developing green and low-carbon core technology, focus on improving the technological content of core product. We make it our mission to build low-carbon, environmental and green energy utilization system. Provide customers with practical and effective low-carbon energy supply solutions.